Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Kryptonians. Welcome to the Crypto Tech channel. On today's agenda, we will be running through a Crypto.com overview tutorial. Before we begin, we would like to remind you that our content is not financial, trading, nor investment advice. We are not liable for any losses. Please do conduct your own research prior to taking any decisions. Coming back to today's topic, as you can see, we are currently on the Crypto.com app on the homepage section, where you can see different coins. You first see your favorites and can also go to See All and see all the coins currently listed. Now, the interesting part on this page is the top gainers, which you can see below your favorites. For some reason, the top gainers on Crypto.com almost always score me profits. So if we are taking Zilliqa or Gala here at 14%, Zilliqa at value of 8 cents and Gala is at a value of 62 cents, there is a lot of room for these two assets to grow. There is, of course, room for other assets to grow as well. But considering they are under the dollar and people tend to prefer riding a wave to the dollar mark, these are the interesting ones here. Psychologically, people tend to purchase cheaper coins first. I am really happy with this app's top gainers part because I keep making profits. Every time I see an asset arrive into the top gainers, I buy it and in most cases enjoy profits, which of course makes everyone happy, right? Then, further down here, you can see a new section which was added for active users called Missions. Basically, you get rewards depending on how active you are on the app. On the top left, you see your Diamonds Vault, simply where the diamonds you earn are stored. The store on the top right is where you spend your diamonds. Every time you complete a mission, you receive a set amount of diamonds as a reward. You can then redeem them and place them into your vault. As you can see here in the store, the mystery box cost 25 diamonds. You therefore have to do enough missions to accumulate enough diamonds. I believe the daily limit is 250 diamonds every 2 days, more or less, and you can get around 0.05 Crow coin in the mystery box. It is not incredible, but it is free, so definitely worth doing. For the next part, we will go into my accounts here. Currently, I have 2,000 euros more or less in the account, and actually haven't been taking much profits lately, as Crypto.com exploded and I see it correcting in the future. So I will probably buy some more again to solidify my position. We're going to keep on needing it, and I do believe Crypto.com will grow into something as great as Binance. And we all know today at what price Binance is at. Going further down here, you have your crypto wallet. We have a few different assets here like Axie Infinity, DYDX. These are in very small quantities, but I gained them via Supercharging. And Supercharging, here you can see how much I've earned all time, more or less like 21 euros. I did this like once or twice where I took 1,000 to 2,000 Crow coins at a time when it was 16 cents a piece and had a lot of movement on this app. Gains are, however, minimal unless you spend a lot. With 300 bucks, you might get 2 to 3 euros per month. Of course, the more you invest, the more you have a chance to gain more profits via these methods. Supercharging is kind of another form of staking, if you will. It is a fixed but short duration that changes every so often with a charging period and a payout period. More explanations on this can be found directly on the app. Alright, so moving on from Supercharging, the Visa card. This is something you may have seen advertised a lot. I believe they're not going about it the right way, as people seem to not trust it as much as they should. It would be better if they were mainly promoting Crypto.com to gain trust in users on their app, and then the Visa card can be advertised as an extra. Currently, they are advertising join Crypto.com for the Visa card, instead of promoting their user experience, trading, and making profits, with the card as just an extra. In order to get a card, you first need to buy Crow coin and stake it. Let me go to my cards real quick to show you, and onto my Crow balance where it shows my staking. As you can see, I have quite a lot staked, and as you can imagine, profits need to be taken. So I've been taking profits because I got in so low and I know prices do go up and down. So I will be able to buy back in at a lower price that I took profit for. So Here you go to Crow Stake and you see different settings or options depending on the value you stake. 350 or 3,500 with different rewards between staking rewards, bonuses, etc. You can check this out on your end. The one for 350 doesn't really give you anything. It says additional card rewards and Spotify 100% return on spending. So if you can, we do recommend to start with the 3,500. Here's something strange I will mention to you all. When I first started, and I had 350 of Crow coin that I had staked, I always believed that one day it would reach a value of 3,500 and I would be able to unstake it and stake it again. Basically, what I bought some time ago would today be worth more money or have a higher value, and so I would be able to stake it for the 3,500 option to have Spotify, Netflix, etc. But the system wouldn't let me do it. I probably need to contact customer service for this. It does say 3,500 worth of Crow coin, so it's about the value and not the volume of coins you own. So in theory, as soon as the value goes up, I should have been able to change package for the higher staking option. This isn't super clear to me yet, but we will need to dig deeper. Back to the main topic as to why I love this app. Besides the cashback option, they also have, if you go to pay here, they have pay rewards. You can see how much I've spent and been rewarded. With certain spending of crypto pay gift cards, you will get a certain amount of Crow coins back. It is not huge amounts, but it is still something you get back. Moving then to the gift cards, which really sets Crypto.com apart from its competition. Not only its affiliates and how it has set itself on the market with Formula 1, UFC, Crypto.com Arena, they are really solidifying their name as a household crypto name. I do believe in 10 years, everyone will know Crypto.com. It's inevitable. So moving to the gift cards, shop now, I am from the Netherlands, and here you see popular stores such as Bol.com, Coolblue, which is electronics, Foot Locker, Media Mart, which are also available in many other countries. So you have a lot of options. You can move through categories and location. Here we can select Saudi Arabia, for example, and you can see there is Google Play and Virgin Megastore currently available. You can go and check out what's available for your country. Overall, I have to say that I'm really satisfied with this app. Transaction fees are expensive, however, surprisingly so. Competition is cheaper at the moment. I understand this app was initially developed for whales, and that was the target demographic when this app first launched. As a last topic for this review, I would like to take you to the referral section. Something we'll actually clarify now as not super clear from Crypto.com actually. You're welcome, by the way, Crypto.com. You can send me 25 USD if you feel like it. But basically, you can get 25 USD in Crow coin if you refer someone else. They also get the same, and you can do this as many times as you want. So in your head, you can think that you can be a quick millionaire, right? By finding the right amount of people who will all use your referral link. Unfortunately, it does not work quite like that. Actually, the person taking the referral and using it, they actually have to buy 500 euros or dollars worth of Crow and stake it. Only once it has been staked can they get the $25, and so can you. This is kind of a hidden factor on the app and should actually be much more clear and honest in terms of the referral system. For the rest of the app, I really do like it, and it works. It is easy to navigate, they have interesting staking options and different cashback features. In addition, knowing whales use this app more often than Binance, and it seems Binance today is going through some rough waters, keep a close eye on Crypto.com as it becomes a household name. Go take a look, there's plenty of cool things to see on it. If you do want to join the app, you can feel free to use my referral code, which you can find on the bottom left here. So, Kryptonians, this is the end of our review of the Crypto.com app. We hope you enjoyed it, that it was useful. Go take a look on your side as well. I'm sure you're going to like it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Connect next time. Speak soon.